Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be Nutella mug cake. Made with very few ingredients. The best thing about this cake is that it can be made in microwave. This is one of our favorite cupcake recipes. The cake is soft, moist and absolutely delectable. Before diving into the recipe, let's have the intro. So I have taken 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of Nutella and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. So first thing first, add about 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder to the plain flour or maida, followed by 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Usually make this recipe directly in the mug, but to have a clear view, I am using a wide bowl. To this, add about 3 tablespoons of Nutella. As it is a chocolate spread, it will give a chocolatey flavor to the cake. You can add up to 4 tablespoons of Nutella. You can also add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder at this stage. I have added about 4 tablespoons of Nutella. Trust me guys, this is the simplest and the easiest mug cake I have ever made. The next process requires a lot of patience. With the help of a whisk, combine all ingredients together. Make sure the egg has been whisked well and there are no lumps in the batter. You can see that the batter has been perfectly blended. Now add about 2 tablespoons of milk to adjust the consistency. Once again, give everything a good mix. Consistency should be that of a dosa batter. Take a large mug and fill it up to 2/3 of it. You can also add choco chips on the top. Place this in the microwave for 2 minutes. Make sure you keep an eye on it, because you don't want your cake to be spilled out and get wasted. So after 2 minutes, the cake has been perfectly ready. Extremely hot now. Make sure you serve it to the kids when it has turned warm. When you are making, mix everything into the cup and just microwave for 2 minutes. Drizzle it with some powdered sugar and then you're good to go. Nutella cake is perfectly ready to be gulped in. Let's check if it is done from inside. Yes, the spoon is sliding inside. The cake is ready to be served. Sure you try this recipe for your kids on the weekend. I am sure they will definitely love it. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment. For more such recipes, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the notification bell for latest updates. Until then, it's signing out here from Aziba's Cuisine. Remember to stay home and stay safe.